Welcome to Garric Imports. Today I have a Lance 825 slide-on truck camper for you. Just arrived from the States. I'll bring a few of these in. Hopefully in this video today I can show you a few of the features. Let's take a walk around the camper. Gas, 19 kgs. They have its own hot water system, gas built in, furnace. I'll show you a bit more of that when we get inside. Bit of storage on the outside, as you can see, being converted to 240 volts for Australia. We'll just move around the back here now. Okay, we have a ladder up the back for storage, up the top. A couple of roof racks up there that can be attached to. It's a full walk-on floor. You can sit up there and watch the NASCAR like they do in the States or whatever. Okay. Integrated steps in the back there. Outlet for the water tanks there. It has electric jacks on a remote control, up and down, putting them on your truck. Okay, we'll walk into the coach now and have a look inside and see what I can show you. Okay, as you walk in the coach, on the right hand side have the self-contained shower and toilet. Then moving up, on the right hand side we have a very comfortable settee dinette. Also makes up to a double bed. Nice big window, makes the coach very airy. Now this one has got a separate little pull down bunk up there that for a child or a baby with its own little cargo net attached so they don't fall out during the night. Moving forward, at the queen bed up there, north-south, hatch on the top there, nice and airy, also doubles as an escape hatch. Storage racks on both sides there. This one doesn't have a television, but it has couplings for it. Moving back along the side we have the 3-way fridge. I'll open that and give you a look at that. Yeah. Go. Freezer. Also we have storage up the top there. This first one I have seen people insert a microwave into here. There is a power point already ordained there. Up the top we have the systems monitor for the tanks, the 3 tanks, the fresh, the black water and the grey water. Also it has a water heater igniter there. You don't have to go out in the cold or the rain to turn your hot water system on. Okay, go here. Cooker, 2-element, sink, high pressure water of course. There we have the remote for the jacks, wireless remote. Looking along the floor here we have a furnace, runs off the LP gas, and it is controlled here by a thermostatically controlled unit on the wall there. Oh yeah, so more storage, plenty of storage in these units. They are very comfortable. Pull out drawers. Okay, it's about it. Yeah, we have a expel air over the stove there, get away all those cooking odours. Of course, the air conditioning on the top here. Very good air conditioning, Coleman, these units. Okay. Okay, well that's about it, folks, for the 2008 Lance 825 slide-on truck camper. Okay, if you have any questions, please don't be afraid to call us, or you can get us on our website, www.garricimports.com.au. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching the video today.